Picasso Trace 1 dual dash cam supports single recording, front camera, 1080p 60 frames per second, and dual recording, front and rear camera, 1080p 30 frames per second. Adopts dual Sony Starvis for front and rear camera. Also plus 4 pieces infrared LEDs for rear camera to get super clear night vision. Loop recording makes it to record all the time. Don't need to change a new card. Built-in G-sensor for locking the video. When an emergency brake or a collision occurs, dual camera viewing with 340 degrees to cover inside and outside of car. Reduce blind spots, more safety. It has a 24 hours parking monitor to make your car more safe during parking. If the car is hit, it will record automatically and lock the video.
If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dashcam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.